Welcome to the how-to video on the application of the DryFlex 16. Please consider the safety information when using our products. This provides visibility to the substrate. Route a channel with upright edges of at least 5 mm. If the moisture content is above 18%, let the wood dry naturally. Apply the brick tape to protect surrounding areas. Shake the bottles briefly and use the indication marks on the back of the bottles for accurate dosing. Dose up to 1 indication mark for each component A and B. Use a disposable mixing spatula to mix the components together. Apply the Trifix Uni sparsely to the adhesion/contact surface with a small disposable brush. After 20 minutes, pat the repair dry. Dispense the resin with the EasyQ high-performance dosing gun. Mix the DryFlex to an even color and then spread the resin as flat as possible on the mixing plate. Apply the resin in a thin layer into the repair with the EasyQ buttering knife, ensuring good contact with the repair area. Fill with small amounts from back to front to avoid air pockets. Make sure you build up the repair with enough BioFlex or DryFlex to then be able to shape the repair. Place the modeling knife perpendicular to the paste and always turn in to the repair. Remove the amine layer from the epoxy by sanding the repair for a good adhesion of the paint system. Take into account any factors that may delay the curing of the epoxy repair. Good luck with your repair.